will be doing the poem. First, let me write the poem on the board. After a bath. After a bath. This is our poem for the day. After a bath. Let us start reading now. After my bath, I try. I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Yes. Once again, let us read. After my bath. After माने बात होने के बाद. After my bath. After means after taking a bath. जब आप बात लेते हो. Yes. After my bath. I try. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. Yes. I try to wipe myself. To wipe myself till I am dry. Till I am dry. Yes. Next. Hands to wipe. First he wipes his hands. Hands. Show me your hands, all of you. Very good. First he wipes his hands and fingers. Show me your fingers. Yes. Hands and fingers and toes. Who can show me your toes? Yes, Anwar. Okay. Yes. Okay. But everybody knows, no? Yes, those are your toes. Yes, Vaishnavi. And two wet legs. Yes, once again let us read. Hands to wipe. And fingers. And toes. Two wet legs. One shiny nose. So, how this boy wipes himself? ये लड़का अपने आप को कैसे वाइप करता है? First he wipes his क्या? What he wipes first? Show me. Yes. First he wipes his hands. After his hands, what does he wipe? After hands के बाद fingers. Very good. After hands he wipes his fingers. And after fingers he wipes his toes. Okay, toes. Very good. After fingers he wipes his toes. Then after toes, what does he wipe? After toes, what does he wipe? Legs. Very good. Show me, Sanvi, show me your legs. Very good. He wipes his legs. Very good. Legs. And after legs, what does he wipe, Anika? Legs के बाद वो क्या wipe करता है, Anika? After the legs, what does he wipe, Anika? He wipes his Rudransh. After legs, what does he wipe? He wipes his nose. His shiny nose. Yes. Then, just think. Next line. Just think. Think का मतलब क्या है? सोचो. Just think. Less time. Come. Less का मतलब है come. Less time I'd take if I were a dog. अगर मैं डॉगी होता तो मैं अपने आप को वाइप करने के लिए कम टाइम लेता. Yes or no? डॉगी क्या टवल लेके अपने तरह लेग्स हैंड्स वाइप करता है क्या? Yes or no? No. डॉगी के पास टवल थोड़ी होता है. तो डॉगी बात करने के बाद अपने आप को कैसे वाइप करता है? Let us see in the next line. If I were a dog, I would shake. Come on, all of you stand up and shake. Let me see. If I were a dog, I would shake, shake, shake. Yes, I would shake, shake, shake. कीर्ति ने शेक नहीं किया, नहीं करना है कीर्ति को शेक. वेरी गुड अनवर. हाँ, वेरी गुड. डॉगीज ऐसे ही तो करते हैं. जब बारिश पड़ती है और डॉगीज भीग जाते हैं रोड पे तो क्या करते हैं? कभी देखा है आपने? दे शेक देमसेल्फ. बस ऐसे ऐसे शेक करते हैं और पूरा पानी निकल जाता है. यस और नो? यस. Yes, come on now. Once again, let us read the last paragraph. Just think. Just think. Come on, all of you start thinking. Just think. Think का मतलब क्या है? सोचना है. Think करो. Just think how much? How much less time? कितना कम time? How much less time I take? I would have take. मैं कितना कम time लूंगा? If I were a dog, अगर मैं डॉग होता तो मैं कम टाइम में अपने आप को वाइप कर लेता, क्योंकि टवल लेके वाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just he has to. If I were a dog, I could shake, shake, shake. Only he wanted to shake himself. Yes, this is your poem. This is your poem after a bath. Let us read it once again. Let us read it once again. Keep your finger. After my bath, I try. After my bath, I try to wipe myself, wipe myself till I am dry, till I am dry. Yes, hands to wipe, and fingers and toes. Two wet legs and a shiny nose, Just think how much less time I'd take if I were a dog, and could shake, and could shake. Yes or no? All of you understood the poem? Poem आपको समझ में आया है? Yes. So when we take our bath, we should wipe ourselves cleanly. First, we should have bath daily. हमें everyday bath करना चाहिए. Second, you are big children. Now you are in class 1. Yes, you should wipe yourself on your own. और how nicely you should wipe. You should wipe your fingers, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पानी ठहर जाता है ना. You should wipe your fingers, your toes, your ears, your nose, your eyes. Yes, you have to wipe yourself neatly till you are dry. Hands, fingers, toes, legs, nose, everything you have to wipe. Yes, because we are not dogs. हम dogs थोड़ी है बेटा कि हमने नहा के आगे बाथरूम में से और यूं कर लिया और पानी चले गया. We are not dogs. Yes, we need a towel. हमें टवल चाहिए वाइप करने के लिए. Yes or no? Yes. Then after we use the towel, after we wipe ourselves, टवल को क्या करेंगे? बेड पे ऐसे फेंक के चले जाना है क्या? हाँ? जब ही हम वाइप करते हैं फिर वो टवल लेके बेड पे फेंकना है? क्या करना है टवल को? अच्छे से we have to dry it, सुखाना है. Because when you wipe yourself, जब आप टवल में वाइप करते हो तो टवल गीला होता है या ड्राई होता है आपके वाइप करने के बाद? The towel is wet or dry? Wet. The towel is wet. First, when you wipe yourself, when mama gives you the towel is dry. जब मम्मा आपको टवल देती है तब तो ड्राई टवल देती है. Mute your device. When mama gives you the towel, your towel is dry. मम्मा गीला टवल तो नहीं देती है ना, मम्मा ड्राई टवल देती है. Then after that you wipe yourself. उसके बाद you wipe yourself. When you wipe yourself, जो ड्राई टवल होता है वो गीला हो जाता है. और गीले कपड़े को हम क्या करते हैं? गीले टवल को हम क्या करते हैं? We have to dry. सुखाने के लिए हम बाहर डालते हैं. Yes or no? आज से मैं मम्मी से पूछूंगी कौन कौन बेड पे फेंक रहा है और कौन कौन ड्राई कर रहा है. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Once again, let us start reading. Once again, let us read the rhyme. Come on. After my bath, repeat after madam. Repeat after madam. After my bath, I try to wipe myself. Wipe का मतलब क्या है?
पोंछना.
पोंछना. Very good. Wipe का मतलब है पोंछना. Come on, tell mummy to give one cloth and show me how you will wipe your hand. मम्मी को पूछो एक क्लॉथ देने के लिए. First. Yes, very good. Wipe yourself. Come on, wipe. Wipe your hands. Very good. Wipe your fingers. Yes, yes. This is wipe. इसको wipe बोलते हैं. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Wipe. We are wiping. हम पोंछ कर रहे हैं. We are wiping our body. We are wiping our body. Yes. You understood the meaning of wipe? Wipe किसको बोलते हैं? पता चल गया? Yes. Come on now. After my bath, I try to wipe myself. अपने आप को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Myself. Yes. Now you want to tell my name is. तो किसका नाम बोल रहे हो जब आप my name is बोलते हो? You tell your name. अपना नाम बोलते हो. Like that only. I wipe myself. अपने आप को मैं wipe करती हूँ. To wipe myself till I am dry. Till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes. Hands to wipe. Madam showed you wipe just now. Show me how to wipe. Yes, wipe. Very good. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes. And two wet legs. Wet का मतलब है गीला. Wet का मतलब है गीला. Wet, गीला. Yes, to wipe my two wet legs. जब हम नहा के आते हैं तो legs are wet. गीले तो होते हैं legs. Yes, we have to wipe our legs. And a shiny nose. Yes. Just think how much. Just think. बस सोचो how much less time I'd take. Less time I take if I were a dog. अगर मैं डॉगी होता तो मैं बहुत less time लेता पोंछने के लिए, अपने आप को वाइप करने के लिए. I take less time if I were a dog. Yes, I could shake. I could shake. Yes. Now let us write our new words. Open your notebook. Come on. We'll write new words now.
Where is pencil?
Mute your device, Pehel. Yes, what is today's date? Yes, you are attending class daily. What is today's date?
9 days.
Very good. 9. Today is 9. Very good. Miguel. 9 dash 7 dash 21. 9 dash 7 dash 21. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow is Saturday. What is the day today?
Friday.
Very good. Friday. Today is Friday. Very good. Today is Friday. Come on, let us write capital F. Small r, small I, small d, small a. Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday. Yes? Come on, let's write. New words. Next line you write new words. N-E-W. New words. W-O-R-D-S. New words. बेटा जहां पे डेट लिखते हैं ना, देर यू राइट L2. L2 जहां आप डेट लिखते हो ना, लेसन 2 लिख लेना. Yes? First word after. After. Small a, small f, small t, small e, small r. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. All are writing with me? Thumbs up if you are writing. Yes, very good. Next word you write bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Then next word you write wipe. Very good, Vaishnavi. Wipe. W-I-P-E. W-I-P-E. Wipe. Next word we'll write myself. 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 M-Y. My. S-E-L-F. Self. When you join it and read, it is myself. Myself. Hands, fingers, legs, these all you have learned it in your EVS, so I won't repeat it. Okay? Then next word we'll write shiny. Shine. Shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Kirti, you're writing beta? Next word J-U-S-T. Just. J-U-S-T. Just. J-U-S-T. Just. J-U-S-T. Just. Yes? Think. 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 T-H-I-N-K. नीचे जगह होगा. You will be writing down. Madam is writing in the next line, next side. Okay, is it clear? You will be writing down because you have space down. M-U-C-H, much, much. M-U-C-H, much. Time, T-I-M-E, time, T-I-M-E, time. Next word, C-O-U-L-D, could. Yes, these are the 10 words which I have given. You will be learning the spellings. 10 words I have given, children. You will be learning the spellings and you will write each word 3 times. How many times will you write? Each word 3 times. You will be writing each word 3 times. Come on, copy it fast. Very good, Megan. Very good. Very good, Vaishnavi. Anvay, very good, beta. Pahel, very good. Pahel, you wrote all the words, beta. Pahel, सारे words लिखे आपने? Yes or no, Pahel? Yes, very good. Kirti, you beta. Very good, Sara. Very good, Kirti. Samarth, very good. Very good. Yes, now, beta, note down. From next week, every Saturday, we'll be doing cursive writing because some parents wanted children must learn cursive writing. So this Saturday is second Saturday. Yes, so this Saturday we won't do, but from next Saturday, we'll start cursive writing. For that, you keep a separate 100 pages 4-line book. Mummy ko bolna. Okay, all the children, 100 pages 4-line book. Is it clear? So from next Saturday, we'll be doing even cursive writing. Okay, children? Yes. Now for homework, what you will be doing? You learn the spellings of these 10 words and you will read the poem. Poem की भी reading सीखना है. I won't tell you to by heart the poem, beta. By heart करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but learn the reading. When you read each word. A-F-T-E-R after. One finger space is there. Bath. I have seen your calligraphies, children. I was not happy with your calligraphy at all. How many times I have told you while writing, you should leave one finger space between both the words. I could not see one finger space. मुझे one finger space बच्चों के बुक में दिखा ही नहीं. पूरा लाइन आपने पूरा मिक्स करके लिख दिया. You are the apple of my book. You पढ़ने नहीं आ रहा है, apple पढ़ने नहीं आ रहा है. You have mixed everything and written. Very few children have written neatly. Okay, so now concentrate even on your writing. Writing भी सुंदर सुंदर बनाना है. Yes or no? Yes, you should write neatly. So from next week we'll be learning cursive writing. For homework, you will be reading the poem. Reading the poem. And the 10 words you will be learning by heart. Yes? Is it clear? Yes, children? Tomorrow is a holiday. No class tomorrow. Then we'll meet you on Monday. We'll meet you on Monday. Okay? Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.